Imagine organizing a messy room that's what layer merging does in Photoshop, helping you declutter and streamline your work. Let's explore how to combine layers for a more efficient workflow with just a few simple clicks. Merging isn't just about making things look prettier, it permanently combines selected layers into one, consolidating their visible content. Any further adjustments will affect the combined result. Think of it like solidifying your design elements. To merge shortcut is your key to mastering this technique. You choose which layers to combine, and the shortcut does the rest. Think of it as a shortcut from complexity to simplicity. For Windows users, the magic combination is Ctrl+C. On a Mac, it's Command+C. This is a simple and powerful command. Memorize it. Let's put it into action. In your Photoshop document, select the layers you want to merge. Let's select several for this example. Tapping the Ctrl+C or Command+C shortcut, we instantly combine the content of those layers into one. See that? Those separate layers have been consolidated into one manageable layer. It's like magic, isn't it? Remember that the original content is preserved. Try merging several layers while keeping the original content. Now you know how to quickly merge layers with this handy shortcut. Spend more time creating and less time organizing. This Photoshop shortcut is essential for a faster, more efficient workflow and cleaner files. Go forth and simplify.